Hi guys, welcome to another episode of Girl with Goals, and this episode is something which is very close to my heart and I've been meaning to make for the longest of time. As a digital content creator, I always say that it is always inspiring to see other creators create what they are passionate about, and this video today is totally about that. This video is called The Creators That Inspire Me. So the first creator which I wanted to talk about is Gary Vee, and I cannot explain in mere words how much his content has affected my life. You can say, is a digital guru for everybody, from an entrepreneur to a creator to someone who is very young but wants to do something big in life, or someone who is disheartened and has left all hope in life to create something as huge as a business. So Gary Vee is present on all platforms, but the best platform which I found was the Google podcast. I remember when I just started out fitness, I started with walking, and then I just used to plug in my earphones and I used to listen to his podcast, which were 45 minutes long, 1 hour long, and I wouldn't understand that I have walked so much. The talks are so inspiring and they're practical. So they're not just that you can do this, you can do that, and there's no practical base to it. And I guess many leading creators in India and worldwide will say that Gary Vee is one of the person whom they look up to, and I am seriously one of them, and it is my lifelong dream to definitely meet him. The second creator is Ranveer, whose channel is Beer Biceps. Now Ranveer and I have in common is the thread of how he started. He had this insecurity because of his weight, and now he is developed into a business person, and that is somewhat a journey which I have also traveled. And why I like Ranveer's channel is it's very genuine and it's changing the minds of young people in India. Now why do I say that is because I have seen one example. I was working in a company before where I was a content writer, and there were a group of graphic designers. They had come from a village area, and now they had shifted to Pune, and they literally were following all the gym habits which he has suggested, the books which he had suggested, the people who he follows, and I could literally see the drastic change in what they were as a bunch of young people, how inspired they were, how motivated they were. And I think that's the beauty of content. It goes beyond just the purpose of likes and comments, and I think Ranveer's content is one of those quality content in India. So Ranveer, if you're watching this, it's really great to see your content every day, and I look forward to all your videos, especially the podcast. She might be one of the first YouTubers I subscribed the channel to. She is Sejal Kumar, and why I like her channel is because the first thing which I could relate to her is that in one of her videos she has said that passion is painful. Heard this one line. There's even a poster of this line which I just painted, and it's on my cupboard, which is called "Passion is Painful," and that one sentence just explained everything to me, and it is a really inspirational quote for me. Sejal's content is something which I think is like you're talking to a friend. It's not something which she's put up a show for you, or she's given those 1,000 filters to put out. Very heart touching, you can say. There's a direct connection. The fourth creator is Ashdin Doctor. So I recently came across his podcast on Spotify under IVM podcast. So very rich content, very quality content. You should definitely check his podcast. There are just 5 minutes or 7 minutes के podcast है वो, and हर podcast में you will definitely learn one good habit, and I'm telling you, it is this easy to inculcate those habits. and right from my sleeping routine to what I eat to how I meditate, everything has some pointers which I've taken from his podcast. And I would really recommend it to people who are just trying to start with good habits and they want to stick to them for a long period of time, and for those people also who start but then they are just like they don't have the motivation. So I really like his line where he says that motivation is just like hyped up, all you need is a consistent habit. Definitely check out his podcast, which I'm linking below, and you won't regret it. It's an amazing quality content podcast. The fifth and the final creator whose work I really love and I really appreciate is Style Me Up with Sakshi. Now her Instagram videos are bomb. I cannot describe the amount of effort she puts in, the amount of innovation she has in it, and the amount of happiness she's spreading through it, because she is a blogger who is promoting positivity to the next level. Like, she carries her clothes, carries her attitude with so much grace and so much poise, you can say. It is just unimaginable. And I'm telling you, Sakshi, if you're watching this, you are giving hope to so many girls in India, globally. I don't know like how many girls are getting inspired by your videos because you decided not to care about how I look or love the way I look. So that is definitely one of the main reasons why I love your channel. You really motivate me to love myself more every day, and I hope your milestones just keep on increasing, your achievements just keep on increasing. These are the 5 creators which really inspire me, you can say, in terms of mental health, fitness, spiritual, you name it, and they influence me in that manner. And believe me, I'm a very selective person, and it is a connection should be there between the creator and the person who is watching. And these 5 creators are not just they're going beyond the, you can say, the norm of likes and subscribers. They're just doing it because they love it, first of all, and they have a connection with the audience. So that is like the best combo for a digital creator. So if you love what I talked about them, if you haven't come across their channels or where they speak, please see the description box below. You will get everything there. And until next time, stay tuned to Girl with Goals. Stay home and stay safe.